How to add Bitcoin to your portfolio on CoinMarketCap app. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Bitcoin to your portfolio easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on the settings option, and here you will find, if you didn't find portfolio option here, just go here and click on this button. Now this is my portfolio. All what you have to do to add Bitcoin is go down and click add new asset. Now choose Bitcoin. If you didn't find Bitcoin here, just search for it in the search bar and click on it like this. Now choose the amount that you want per, if you want to per USD. I'm gonna choose USD. Let's choose 1000, for example, $1000. Click add transaction, and here you go. Now I just added Bitcoin to my portfolio. Don't forget to like and subscribe.